Hello everyone, this is Shirley from Landpark. Our company specializes in packaging machines over 15 years. Today I am going to introduce one of our Doypack machines which can put different kinds of granules like this bird seed. Now let's go to see the detail. This is the control plant. We use the touchscreen, it's the Siemens, and the option language are English and Chinese. The first part is our Doypack elevator. It conveys the material to the bucket by vibrations and then transport to the weigher. The second part is our measuring part. This is a multi-head weigher with high precision sensor for accurate measurement. The third part is our main packer. This is bag feeders feeding the punch one by one to the machine. And this is the bag holding device, bag picking up device. After pick up the punch, it will be transported to the next position. The next position is designed for zipper opening and printer. Here it has a ribbon coder. It can print the product information such as production date. You can see that. This position is opening the punch button to make sure the punch opening completely. Next position is for filling. No punch, no filling. Here has a vibration device to make sure the material will fill completely. This train is designed for support the high-weight punches. The next position, the machine will put the punch straight and make sure it perfect sealing. The sponge air exhaust device squeezes out inside air inside the bag. Next position is for sealing. Through sealing device, make sure the sealing effect. You can see that. After that, the finished punches will output by this finished bit. That's all I introduced today. If you want to know more, please contact us. Bye bye.